EDCA. Well, the Supreme Court has said it is. Now, whether they would be placed in what area for what, that is a decision of the military, the armed forces of the Philippines. Sila yung mas marunong sa atin. I may contribute something if I become the president. But since hindi naman ako, I must just say that we will follow the Supreme Court. In the matter now of location, where to what, that's something else. I have to hear the armed forces of the Philippines if I become president.
Sir, correct me if I'm wrong.
US and ally, we are allied with the Western powers. Let us be frank with each other. Talagang nasa side ng USA tayo. Now, yung basis were agreement were repealed or so long time ago. Now, just ignoring the treaty as a threat to the national security. Ako naman, sabihin ko sa China, just stop your construction. In the meantime, stop bullying, be courteous about this, and we will just talk. We cannot go to war. We cannot go to war. We cannot afford it. Because ang US kasi, pati maybe Australia and Japan would want a multilateral, but nothing is moving. So if it is to the best interest of the country, if the president says, well, I talk to you bilateral. Pero ang akin is, kung ako, I'll place a margin. I'll place a margin. The margin is, what you're occupying is ours. We will begin our talks on this predicate. You have to declare, you have to listen to my declaration. Whether you believe it or not, that's something else. But if we talk, I'd say that the predicate of these talks is that what you are occupying now belongs to the Republic of the Philippines.
Pero sir, ganun din ang predicate ako, sir, di ba? Ganun din ang predicate ng China, di ba? For us.
Wala tayo. Kung ayaw nila ng ganon, if that is you claim mine and I claim yours, then let's talk. But I will not move an inch backwards. When I say, magmamargin ako eh. Kung papel pa, I'll fold something like, and this is the margin, and we begin our talks. And the talks should be that what you are, I said, building there, the structures there, maybe you just give it to us or remove it, and I'd be happy.